So they're the areas everyone's looking at in the Bund. Everyone comes in the morning looking at this double inside week thinking, right, this could go, how can we get in on this? Now, a trade that a lot of people will look for, is to see some kind of initiative off the cash open. Now, what I mean by this is, from the open today, so this is the futures open just here, we tick up and then pretty much sell straight off down to 159.10. So you're getting a pretty clear sign that the market wants to come off. Not putting a massive initial balance, so that's got more scope to fall as well. So what you're looking for on the back of that, with partly that double inside week in mind, is you're looking for that continuation lower then. You're looking for the market to start selling from the cash open. Nice little clue for this, if you have delta on, so there's your delta dropping straight on the cash open as well. So it's all sort of adding up. You're thinking, yeah, this could go. Now, on a chart, this looks lovely. You look at that and you think, yeah, sell the cash open, off we go. This is going to be nice and quick. This is a 5-minute chart. And this first bit of the move down here from 15, 16s down to 10s was extremely, extremely slow. I'm not going to replay that for you because, well, that's pretty dull. It effectively spends 5 minutes. It doesn't show any more energy, doesn't show any more auction activity, just merely drifts down towards 10s. What we do then get though is this pickup. As we get through 10, then you start seeing a little bit more energy. That's what you're looking for in the Bund. That's your little clue. So perhaps the easier way of looking at this is actually the trade was more on the break here than it was to get in straight on that cash initiative. There was some initiative, delta started to drop quite quickly, so from a technical point of view you had a clue there, but there wasn't much trade based on the price action. Once we got to 10s though, that's where the energy starts coming in. So I'll flick a replay up of that as we'll try and talk through how this all played out. Right. So I've got this playing at double speed at the moment in the Bund. What you can see is still reasonably slow activity. Not too many orders switching around. I'm trading down to 10s. Takes it bid quite quickly straight back on the offer. Now what you want to see here, if we have got this initiative and we are to believe in it, you want exactly that kind of thing. As soon as it takes it back offered 10s, it trades into 9s, takes 9s offered, starts trading 8s, albeit it's only traded 43 lots at 8s. But you're not seeing a great deal by way of trade back up. That's a key point. Again, volume has started to dissipate, so you're now starting to trust what you're seeing from a technical point of view. But equally, you're not getting any rotation back up. No one's buying into these offers. That's what you want to see. You get a small buy, 13 lots, 14 lots, takes it bid. And so now you're thinking, right, we've got it through 10s. You can have your stop back up above 10, so maybe you stop up around 12s. You want to see it stay on the offer. You see that offer come straight back. So we traded through 9s, takes it bid briefly, back on the offer. And so like I say, it's one of those that from a chart you think, yeah, there's some good initiative, this is a good, decent move. But often this is how it plays out. A lot slower, more steady, but what we're now seeing is these offers are getting heavier. Yeah, it's gone from 200s to now 400s on the offer. You're getting less and less trading back up as well. That's what you want to see from an initiative point of view. What you don't want to see is any reactionary trade, any responsive trade trading back up. You're now getting a little bit more size coming down. We traded 600, 800 into the low. This is a small sticking point now. Point that you could sort of worry about now, 1100, and takes it offered as again. First little attempt higher, and straight away again back on the offer. The offers stay heavy. This is different to what we've been seeing recently in the Bund. These little types of trade recently in the Bund, quite quickly it would take the 6s out, and all of a sudden there'd be nothing at 7s, nothing at 8s, nothing at 9s, and it would trade up very quickly. Different type of price action now. This is maintaining that initiative. So if you watched it from 16s down to 10s, yeah, perhaps you've not sort of got a reason to get in, but that decrease in delta, the fact that you've already seen initiative from the open continuing, then that gives you the trade through 10s. And if you sold it through 10s, 9s even, you never got pushed back offside, and the market continually drops. Not really getting any tick back up. Every time we go offered, the offer then increases in size once again and starts trading the next prices down. Very nice example of a sort of slower momentum move. It's not a fast move, but if you've got in, it really doesn't give you a great deal of reason to panic. And so that's the difference between looking at a chart and then seeing that initiative on the ladder. It's the point of how it takes the price out and how it then continues to keep it offered. By seeing that, that can give you confidence to stay with the trade. And like I say, you could have had your stops very tight above 12, and that allows you to stay with the trade. So use your clues early on from the charts, from your delta, and then you're looking to execute. The chart's giving you the clue. It's that bit of price action through 10s and 9s that allowed you to get in the trade and stay with it.